Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add stunning filters to your videos in CapCut. So if you want to edit your video like a professional and you want to add some nice cool stunning filters to make your video more captivating, here's the quick guide, a step-by-step guide on how to get it done. So the first thing you have to do is add on your video to your CapCut. Once you have your video, then tap on the video. So once you tap on the video, it will show that the video is highlighted on this main screen. So just tap on the video. You can see the video. Good. Now tap on the video. You can see the video has been highlighted. From this edge, it shows that the video has been highlighted. Then once you tap on the video, it will change the settings, so which shows that what you're about to make some changes in the video. So for you to be able to add filters to the video, you can simply add filters by add different two methods. You can add filters using two methods. You can add filters using effect, which is add video effect, or you can also slide to the right so you find an option called filters. This is filters here. So just give it a few seconds to generate the filters available to be used. So from there you can now add a stunning filters. You can see most of these filters are pro. That means you have to pay for some, while some are free. You can see this particular one is free, so I like to use this one particularly. I prefer using this. You can see. So for me to be able to add this, I have to drag and hold to add this to my favorite. So I'm just going to tap on add. So I'm just going to press and hold. So once I do that, then it has been added to my favorite. Okay, sorry. Is it here? So I can use this to customize how I want the filters to look. You can see, which is pretty cool. I can use that. Once I'm done, I can just simply add, then it has been added to the video, and that's how to add filters in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, subscribe.